Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use subtotals in LibreOffice Calc. So if I would like to know how many number of projects have juniors, mids and seniors, I can calculate it by using subtotals. So first we need to select the table which we want to use. Then we need to click on auto filter, or you can try to use shortcut Ctrl+Shift+L to do it. So I click here, then I need to go to data and I need to select here subtotals. Now we want to change group by settings from name to position because we want to know sum for each position. And now we need to calculate subtotals for, and of course we need to select here number of projects. Then you need to select the function that you want to use. I want to sum it, so I select here sum, and then I click OK. So how you see, new table has been successfully created here. So now we can check the number of projects of juniors, we can check number of projects for mids, and number of projects for seniors. You can check grand sum, it is sum of number of projects of juniors, mids and seniors. So in this way you can easily use subtotals in LibreOffice Calc. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.